like whiskey, she like Henny, she loves Cava. Said there's something special about the muddy water. It give her that natural high. Now I've never been that guy, but if it means more time with her, then I'll say clap, clap, pour me some. I need a little more in my cup. I'll bring the bucket if you bring your love and my baby. Honey, even if it's just me and you in a little bag of that powdered room, then that's all I need. You and muddy water, muddy water. I love whiskey, I love Henny, but man, that cover, there's something really different about that muddy water. It give you that natural high. My baby girl was right. Now I spend all my time with her. Saying clap, clap, pour me some. I need a little more in my cup. I'll bring the bucket if you bring your love and my baby. Honey, even if it's just me and you in a little bag of that powdered room, then that's all I need. You and muddy water, muddy water.